How to go live on Snapchat. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Snapchat application. If you do not have updated version, then first of all, update your application by going through App Store. Once you do that, launch your Snapchat application and make sure you have logged into your account. Then hit on the profile icon which is on the top left corner. Then tap on the setting gear icon from the top right corner. Once you do that, your settings page will be opened. As you can see, here is no any option to go live on Snapchat. The only thing you can do is simply go back to the Snapchat homepage, and there you will see Spotlight option which is on the bottom right corner. You can share your ideas and views through Spotlight. This is the only thing you can do on Snapchat to share your idea. You cannot really go live on Snapchat. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.